everyone, just would like to show you how I've done this simple French twist. It's so easy to do, and I've done some little loops at the front to just frame the face a little bit. All I've done is just spray the hair with some texture spray and then just smooth it out a little bit. Take a little section of the right side, smooth that out, and then tie that into a ponytail, and then put the fingers through it and then just loop it through. Pinch it, spray with some more texture spray, and then just pinch and pull it out a little bit just to make it as big as possible. It's entirely up to you what would you like to do. And then I repeat the same thing on the left side. Pinch and pull that out a little bit more. Then I take a little section from both sides, tie it into a ponytail at the back, smooth it out a little bit, spray some more texture spray, pinch and pull the crown a bit just to give it a bit more volume to it and texture. Then all I've done is just wrap the hair wrong a little bit just to give it that twist. And then all the flyaway I've got, just tuck that at the top. Then use some bobby pin. You use as much as you need, and then just twist it around and pin it under like that. Get the groovy side down. Pin it nice and secure, and you use as much bobby pin as you need. Spray with some texture spray and then fan it all out a bit, make it big and messy. And spray with some hairspray. And this is a finished look. If you like this hairstyle, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more hair tutorial. Thank you so much for watching my video, and every like count. Thank you. Bye.